Since I opened my YouTube channel, I love to see when people put a comment. So everybody that put a comment on my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And everybody that just watched my video, I really appreciate you guys too. Thank you so much. Today I want to talk about a comment that I got from Kylie. She asked me to talk a little bit about crypto prediction. And I'll say, Kylie, it's really hard right now to predict anything. It's like I cannot predict Apple stocks. It makes it even hard to predict some crypto. But in this video, at least I'm gonna tell you how I buy and why I buy. Because it gives you a little bit prediction what I believe on the crypto, okay? Watch this video until the end and I tell the way I shop for crypto, okay? Welcome back to Crypto and Stocks. If it's your first time, please go ahead down here, subscribe, help the channel a lot. And if you like the value of this video, smash the thumbs up, as well share with your friends and put a comment down, okay? So Kylie, let's talk about crypto. Unfortunately, due to the geopolitical situation happened with the situation in Russia and Ukraine, plus the Europe inflation and the US have inflation, it's really hard to predict. But let me tell how I buy crypto and why I buy crypto, okay? The website that usually I go to see how the crypto are doing is CoinMarketCap. I like that. Just Google CoinMarketCap and tell all the cryptos. So let's run really fast, just see how they're doing the last day and 7 days to start, okay? Bitcoin is $39,126, being almost flat the last 24 hours and 1% down in the last 7 days. It just became flat. Ethereum is a little bit up, $2,592. And for the last 7 days is 2.73% down. I like Bitcoin, I like Ethereum. I do not buy Bitcoin anymore. I have a little bit and that's it. But Ethereum, I continue buying as well. My next one that I like to buy is Cardano. The price for Cardano is 79 cents and some change, of course. Has been flat for the last 24 hours and been down 8.4% the last 7 days. I do like Solana as well. I buy Solana on a regular basis. The price for Solana is $81.53, 0.58% down the last 24 hours and 8.1% in the last 7 days. And then crypto, that's CRO. The cost for crypto.coin CRO is 38 cents, almost 39 cents. It has been up 0.85% the last 24 hours and it has been down 5.22% the last 7 days. My next one that I like to buy is Mana. Mana is, the price for Mana is $2.42. It's up 3.14% the last 24 hours. It has been down 5.85% in the last 7 days. And the next one that I like, SANDBOX. SANDBOX price is $2.92. It's up 4% in the last 24 hours and has been down 3.54% in the last 7 days. So those are the coins I like. I like Ethereum, I like Solana, I like Cardano, I like Crypto.com, CRONO, Coin, I like Mana, and I like SANDBOX. Let's start with Crypto.com. I do not really buy anymore, but I use the Crypto.com debit card, and every time I use the card, 2% goes towards Crypto.com coin. So that's the way I buy every day. And that's go Luna making noise. Whenever you hear this noise, it's Luna going through the dog door. There's a dog door right by here, by my studio. Ethereum, why I like Ethereum better than Bitcoin? I think Ethereum has so much more room to grow. I think Bitcoin, do I think it's going to hit 100,000? Yes, I think it will. I don't know when. It probably, if this situation is going to take even longer, it's not going to happen by the end of the year. If it happens, I'll be really stunning by it. But I think one day we'll get there. Ethereum, I think it's going to get to $10,000 in the next couple of years. And after that, it's going to continue to grow as long as the crypto market continue to grow as before the war, the inflation, all that. And whoever thinks that crypto is an edge against the inflation is proof that it's not. If the market is going down, crypto is going down with the market. If it's just a little bit inflation, I think crypto will go up and the market goes down. But whenever we are what, 8%, 7.9%, then everything goes down. My next one is Cardano and Solana. I think there's a lot of growth coming for these two. Let's look here. The past year, Cardano had the peak at 2.9%, $2.96, and now it's down to 80 cents. So if Cardano goes 79 cents, if Cardano goes back up, you're talking about you like 4x your money. It's really, really good. So I think Cardano is gonna go up again. I think Solana is gonna go up again. It's gonna pass the $100 mark again. The Decentraland Mana at $2.43. It will hit the $5 again. Probably next year, sometime after the half the year. It all depends on with all this war happening, inflation. But hopefully by the end of the year we are back to a better levels. Even if the war continues, but the inflation is more controlled. I think everything is going to start back rotating smoothly, and all the cryptocurrency is going to start coming up again. And the last one that we were talking about is the SANDBOX. And again, let's check it out how it has been doing the last year. But I know SANDBOX, it dropped quite a bit. So in 52 weeks, it had a high $8.40, and now it's all the way down to $2.78. A lot of people believe that SANDBOX can hit the $10 mark, and I do believe that as well. That's why I buy in a weekly basis at dollar cost average, and I still believe this coin, especially whenever the metaverse really develop with Facebook or Meta is thinking about investing on the metaverse. I think when all this come through, you see some of these metaverse coins increase in price quite a bit, and I believe SANDBOX is going to be one of them. How do I buy crypto? I buy almost on a weekly basis. I buy a little bit, so I have my investments that I take out of my check. I got paid weekly, so every week I take 15% of my check and put it toward investments. Out of this 15%, I put 85% towards stocks and 15% towards crypto. I actually better than a lot of people. A lot of investors just go with 5%. I go 15%. And this 15%, I divide between Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Mana, and SANDBOX. Those are the 5 that I usually buy. I buy right now because it's really cheap right now, and hopefully in a couple of years it's gonna go back up. I cannot really assure you, Kylie. I'm so sorry. I do believe in cryptocurrency, and that's why I continue to buy. But I do not know if it's gonna hit X5 next month or 6 months or next year. But I believe with the whole economy, United States economy, getting back in track by the second half of this year, the end of this year, I think next year we're gonna see a lot of growth. So I'm buying right now. You do whatever you feel like, but I'm buying right now. I'm like building my positions with really cheap coins. And that's how I do. You know, hopefully next year, if I'm correct, I'm gonna see a lot of gains in every single coin that I'm buying this month. I have like a really bullish vision for the future for cryptocurrency. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so before buying or selling, make sure to follow up a financial advisor. I want to bring some. I just didn't know how much I could bring without putting my foot in my mouth, because right now it's really dangerous. You know, remember, crypto it's all about speculation, and whenever we have a lot of fear in the market like it is right now, those risk investment, and crypto is the most risk investment, those goes out first. So if you buy something now and next week you like 50% down, it's kind of normal for crypto. So just you need to have a lot of guts. You need to have a lot of guts to invest in crypto right now. I cannot tell what you should do, but I tell that I'm buying. Okay, hope that answers some questions. If you have any more questions, put it down in the comments. If you have not done yet, subscribe, and if you like the video, please smash the thumbs up. Okay, you guys have a good day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
I woke up feeling on top of the world.